Today's maths class, we revise what we did yesterday. That is our number bonds. Number bond helps us or children to realize how a number is formed from another numbers. Basically, it tells us the relationship between numbers. Okay, for example, when we talk about number 1, we can say number 1 is formed from two numbers, that is number 1 and number 0. So, or we can say it is formed from two numbers in the order 0 and 1. So we can say when we add 1 plus 0, we get 1, or we can say it 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Okay. The next thing that we did was number bond of 2 and number bond of 3. Let me do it here. 3. So how we did the number bonds for these number is like, let me just through the activity. We took 3 bangles. Okay, this is basically the format of how the number bond thing works. So let's say we are talking about number bond of 1. So we just placed one flower in the first bangle. In notebook they'll do like this. They'll write 1 and color it and then make 2 circles. Okay. So we have to put flowers in either of the bangles, so that when we add flowers of this bangles and flowers of this bangle, the answer becomes 1 flower. Okay. So we have to do it like this. So if I put 1 flower in this, then in this, can I put another flower in this bangle? No. So our number bond becomes 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So they'll put 1 here and they can put 0 here. This is their first number bond. Okay. They can write 1 plus 0 equals to 1. Now there is another way of adding 0 and 1 to get 1. Let's see that. What if I remove this flower from here and I put it in this bangle? Will I get 1? 0. Count the number of flowers in this bangle, 0. And the number in this bangle, 1. So 0 plus 1 equals to 1. So we can say 0 plus 1. So this equation becomes 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Here's another example of number bond, or the two numbers, how we can add 0 plus 1 to get 1. 0 and 1 to get 1. Now let us do how we can get the number bond for 2. Okay. So let me just place 2 flowers in this. Okay. And similarly they'll make 2 and branches. Okay. And now we need 2 flowers. Right? We need 2 as our answer. So, if I place 0 flowers in this, so how many flowers will I need to put in this to get the answer 2? Yes, we will need to keep 2 flowers. So, let us keep 2 flowers in this. So, how many flowers are in this bangle? 0. And this 2. So, 0 plus 2 equals to 2. So, first number bond is 0 and 2. This becomes 0 plus 2 equals to 2. Similarly, if I remove 1 flower from here and keep it over here, so number of flowers in this, 1. And number of flowers in this, 1. So we can say 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So the another number bond becomes 1 and 1. So if we add 1 and 1, we will get 2. Now let us do one thing. Let us remove this flower and keep it in this. So let us add number of flowers in this bangle, 2. And number of flowers in this, 0. And what we get is 2 flowers. So we can say the another number bond is 2 and 0. So we can say 2 plus 0 equals to 2. Let's do another one. Now let me keep 3 flowers over here in the first circle and 3. So I need to put 2 numbers so that their total sum is 3 flowers. Okay. So let us try. So in notebook we will make 3 and branches. Okay. So if I want to keep 0 flowers in this, so how many flowers will I have to put in this? 3. So let us put 3 in this flower. So 0 plus 3 equals to 3. So we will write 0 and 3. So we can write 0 plus 3 equals to 3. Now let us remove one flower from this bangle and put it here. We can say 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So in notebook we will make a circle, another circle. We will write 1 here and 2 here, and we can say 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Now let us do one more thing. Let us move this 1 flower to here. Now what does it become? 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So we can say if we add 2 and 1, we will still get the answer 3. So the next bond becomes 2 plus 1 equals to 3. And for the last one, let me remove this flower from this circle and keep it over here. So can I say we have 3 flowers in this and 0 in this? So 3 plus 0 gives me 3. So last number bond becomes 3. In the first circle we have 3 and in the second circle we have 0. So we will make number bond 3 and 0. So we can say 3 plus 0 equals to 3. So for 3 we have 4 number bonds. For 2 we have 3 number bonds. For 1 we have 2 number bonds.